Subscribe for some awesome videos.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Crafts with Rar. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a Poppy Rowan doll from Rainbow High. This is my second Rainbow High doll. So first was Ruby, and now we have Poppy. I remember when I was first deciding which doll to get first, I was debating so hard between these two. So now I have Poppy and Ruby. And we're going to open her up. Let's just take a quick look at the packaging first. So on the bottom it has like all of their faces: Sunny, Poppy, Ruby, Violet. I'm guessing Sky and Jade are here. Yep. Rainbow High, Pro Camera Works. The second outfit. The shoes. I really love Poppy's shoes. Like, do you see? It's gold. Well, that's her socks, but like, it's really pretty. Not so much about the boots, but yeah. Yeah. I don't know why, but Poppy, it doesn't, oh wait, I think it's the lighting. It doesn't, like, you don't really see that, the gloss finish thing. Like, their face, it's like a pearly finish. Yeah, I don't know why, you can't really see their finishing anymore. Yeah, I don't know why. In this light, you can't really see their finishing. But yeah. Then you got Poppy's first outfit, her name. Rainbow High, collect the rainbow, yeah. It's pretty much like Ruby's packaging. Watch on YouTube. The YouTube series is amazing. I've watched the finale. It was flawless. I loved Poppy's outfit in the finale. That was my favorite outfit in the finale. All the girls, once again, Ruby, Poppy, Sunny, Jade, Skylar, Violet. And Noah, Maya, or Bella, because they're in season 2. Also, spoiler alert, Bella's back. Who's excited? It's coming in mid-July, the second season. And then it said, "Welcome to Rainbow High, the boldly colorful fashion school where everyone learns to flaunt their true colors." Then in a bunch of different languages. Okay, so now it's time, my favorite part about opening new dolls, wrestling the packaging. Remember Ruby? Wrestling you out of the packaging? Yep, fun. Yeah, I'm not really experienced with these types of dolls, so time to wrestle some packaging. I'll be back because I don't think you guys want to see me wrestling packaging. Okay, so I unboxed her. This time it was a little less package wrestling. But the only part that like I was kind of worried about was like the back of her neck. There was like a small gap in between the head and the neck, and it wasn't really placed properly. Like the head wasn't placed properly, so then I have to like squish on her head, and her head was really warm for some reason, and her body was warm, and her head was like squishy. It was really weird. Now it's been like a couple hours, so it's hardened and to be somewhat normal. Well, so yeah, so while that happened, I just like squished her head down and like try to make it like proper. And for now, we got a Poppy with full head rotation because of that. Yeah. Anyways, let's like start looking at her. She has nice blue eyes. I really love that. They're pretty. Of course, all eye colors are pretty, but it looks nice with her whole orange vibe, you know? Or a bit of purple in her eyes. Oh gosh, it's not picking up. Okay, so the pink eyeshadow with some peach in the middle. There's like a bit of silver. Sorry, my camera keeps shaking. There's like a bit of silver glitter, but it's not as much as Ruby's glitter. Yeah. On this side, it's the same. Oh, real lashes. Nice eyebrows. I don't know, for me compared to Ruby, she doesn't look like she has much of a pearly finish. And I don't know why people complain much about the pearly finish, because to me that's what kind of makes Rainbow High dolls unique, you know. I really like it actually, the pearly finish. Yeah. Uh, she has like some nice peach colored, like, I don't know, salmon colored lips. Freckles, the only thing I don't like about the freckles is they're not really like natural looking. No one has really freckles that are all like perfect circles like that, perfectly arranged, you know? Yeah. On to the hair. Okay. You can see there's a bit of like peach. I don't know, in the camera kind of all looks like it's just the light making it look like different colors, but there's actually a bunch of different colors. Oh, now you can see. Okay. So there's orange, a bit of like a peach, like really light orange. Yeah. The back is soft, the front is really crunchy. Sorry. I love doing that. Her hair is really messy, so I'm gonna have to wash it, and it's a lot more product compared to Ruby. Yeah. And of course she comes with those nice butterfly clips. That's now the outfit. This is the first outfit. There's this crop bubble jacket sort of thing. And it's really like snug on her. It's so hard to put on and off. Just warning you, be removable. Oh, this part. Yeah, it's like an orange little tube top type thing. Then underneath there's like this nice peach dress. We're gonna be looking at those layers in depth a bit later. Finally, her shoes. I love the detail, like the molding of these shoes, you know? Yeah. Some like splattered paint in here for flying. And like, yeah. And then she has that orange stand. Yeah. And now we're gonna like look in depth at the pieces. Start with a peach dress. A little complaint. It's really loose and big on her. Like, not really, but yeah. And they kind of did a really bad job hemming on the top. It's kind of hard on camera to see it. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. Anyways, now the other pieces. We have this tube top type thing. And kind of like what Ruby had. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about like the yellow embroidery. I kind of like would have preferred white. The yellow, it looks like super off, you know. I don't really like it, to be honest, but yeah. And then we have that cropped hoodie, like I said. And I just realized they have elastics like on the bottom to make it a drawstring sort of thing. I don't know if it actually works or not, but yeah. Also, this isn't paper, this is a tag. A rainbow high tag. Yeah. I'm probably going to end up cutting that off. Now I'm going to put Poppy in her second outfit. Here's the second outfit. So it's like a cropped hoodie, drawstrings in the front that actually work, which is really good. Honestly, this cuffs, the fingers, like, I literally bent one of the fingers while putting the, the cropped jacket. The like, cuffs here, like, they're really hard to put on. And I don't really like how snug everything is. It's really hard, you know, and sometimes stressful to put on stuff and take them off. Yeah. By the way, the hoodie doesn't work. Here it is. It's just two pieces of fabric stuck together just to give it like a hoodie look, but it's not an actual hoodie. I actually know how to make actual hoodies though, which is good, but I think I'm just gonna leave that. And next we have a nice leather skirt. There's belt loops, but no belt. Oh, and we got like this cords thing going on with these really long cords, so like they're woven here, like crossed stitched, you know, and then they go down. That's the back, yeah. These are the shoes. They come with socks, which is really cool. I love the socks. Although, once again, they're snug fit. The shoes are really hard to put on. I think I might have to end up like making a slit like that a lot of other shoes have, you know? Yeah. Oh, and I love like the jelly like shoes sort of thing, like jelly shoe thing going on. Yeah, it's really cool. Oh. So compared like other Rainbow High dolls, there's also, and we have like a normal clothes hanger. Yeah, super cool. Oh, and of course, like all Rainbow High dolls, we have a hairbrush, and I'm definitely gonna have to treat my hair. Yeah. Anyways, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Overall, I really love this doll. The hair needs some work, but of course I can just fix it up. But yeah, she looks gorgeous. And yeah, I hope to get more dolls in the future from Rainbow High. And yeah, bye.